Here's where you can go to turn on the two different types of double tapping on your display or on your screen. The one where you double tap a blank area on your home screen to lock your phone, and double tapping on the lock screen, then double tapping to lock it. This is the OnePlus 12R and the same for the OnePlus 12 phone. The two settings are found in two different areas. So the one where you double tap to lock your phone while on the home screen, you'll need to long press a blank area like this here, and to the bottom section, go over to where it says more. And once in the home screen settings area here, you can go down to where it says double tap to lock. And this will have to be done a blank area on your home screen. And while you're here now, go down past the lock screen section where it says lock screen, and then you'll see double tap to wake or turn off screen. So once these two are on, you'll be able to do this here to lock your phone, and then double tapping to wake and lock while on the lock screen is what the other one does, like and said.